Cervical cancer claims over 34,000 lives each year in the Americas, and Belize, unfortunately, has one of the highest rates of both incidence and deaths in the region. The good news is that this disease is treatable and even curable, especially when detected early. To help combat this serious issue, the Belize Cancer Society hosted a Cervical Cancer Awareness Forum today, aiming to educate women on the crucial steps they can take to eliminate cervical cancer in Belize.
So today we're hosting the Cervical Cancer Forum, empowering women and girls against cervical cancer. And this event is to create awareness and to empower women. We had the official opening this morning, and this afternoon we'll be doing HPV testing and vaccination in partnership with the Ministry of Health and PAHO.
The main culprit behind cervical cancer is the human papilloma virus, HPV, a virus that spread through sexual contact. At today's forum, attendees had the opportunity to get free testing and vaccinations, making it easier than ever to take proactive steps against this preventable disease.
It's also very important to also note that young boys can also carry the virus and pass it on to a female. And so it is about education, it's about hearing, and I think the forum will also allow for persons who have gone through this issue and survived the just dreadful disease to share their experiences and to encourage others to take advantage of the support that is available to them.
Great news for Belizeans. The HPV vaccine is available at no cost and is highly recommended for girls aged 9 to 14. This is a fantastic opportunity to protect our young generation from cervical cancer right from the start.
We started remember the vaccine it was implemented in Belize way back in 2016. It had a cost at the time, but last in 2023, when it was actually relaunched after COVID, we have seen much more personnel taking on the vaccines, and we encourage people to continue to take that vaccine. As I said, cervical cancer, which is highlighted in this forum, is preventable. It's a disease that can be prevented, it can be managed, and so we want to encourage people. And this forum is about that. It's about making sure we bring awareness to those effects of cervical cancer. It's also to bring awareness to females who can end up with that situation.
The event featured an impressive lineup of panelists, including an oncologist, a non-communicable disease specialist, and a powerful testimony from a survivor.
The Belize Cancer Society, of course, our mandate is to advocate and empower women and girls and men and boys against cancer. And it was very important because cervical cancer is one of the most treatable and preventable cancers. And so for us it's very important to, as we reflect on where we are as a country in terms of cervical cancer, to do more so that we can really and truly eliminate cervical cancer in Belize.
By spreading the word and encouraging regular screenings, Belizeans can save the lives of countless women and girls, while also easing the burden on our healthcare system.
Belize signed on to the elimination initiative for cervical cancer, and that's where we want to go by the end of 2030. It's a global challenge that we all signed on to see that we could eliminate cervical cancer across the globe.
Britney Gordon for News 5.